Hello and welcome, my friend. As every week, in the start of it, we're making for you the weekly Forex forecasting. And by the way, if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to be subscribed to our channel because we're making a weekly video of Forex, a monthly video about Bitcoin, a monthly video about stock market. And if you are a beginner and you don't know nothing about Forex trading or trading in general, down below you're going to find a 90% coupon to one of my best selling courses in Udemy. And by the way, the price of it's not too much, it's just 15 bucks. And if you want to use my highly recommended brokers, down you're going to find my two favorite brokers. So let's dive into the lesson of today, my friend. So the first pair we got, my friend, is the Euro USD. And that one, as we said it last week, is going to fall down. And as you see it here, it fell down. Then it came in Friday. That's what happened here. I think everything is very clear. So, because as I told the people that follow me in my Facebook group, that 1.18 here is a very stronger support. And that's what happened. The price it came to it, then it respected again, then that's what happened. It's moving up. So our view to it, now the price here, it's need to retrace again. You can use 1 hour to predict where the retracement using just the RSI overbought and oversold. In 1 hour, then enter. You can make the target here up. The first target here is it at 1.18, 727, 728. The last target at 1.19, 335. Because we can't take in too much, because it's going to fall down again. And I will tell you why. Because if we unzoom it like that, as you see, the price it touch here, the trend line here, and that one is a trend line. So the price it will go up again here and retrace. Then from here it's going to break down because the price here it's breaking the trend line, that one, and that one is a very old trend line. It break it like that, it retrace again, and make like that. Now he need to make a retracement again, then sell again. So for a weekly is a buy, but for long term is short. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI to tell you the picture more clear. In the RSI, as you see here, let me to zoom it more. In the RSI here, we got a divergence. That's what's going to make the price to move up, as you see it here in the chart. So here, that one is going to go up. That's why I told you retracement here. In 4 hours, you can enter only at 50 level here. Then when it touches it, then you enter buy. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me show you more. Sorry. Here in the daily, as you see, we got here another divergence. As you see it, from here to here. That's a divergence in the RSI in the daily. So also here, the view of us, it will go up and touch the overbought area. That's why I told you to buy it. But just for 1 week. Because also we enter for weekly. That way we take in small profit. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The other pair we got is British Pound USD or cable. And that one, as we said it last week, is going to fall down, and that's what happened. Then it touched that level here, and that one is a very stronger level. Friday, that's what happened. Those candles. Our view, it will go up and touch that 1.39376. Then came back again. Then you from there enter from 1.38346. The level you can take the first target at 1.39376. The last one is it here, because when it touching here that level 1.41520, enter short with your eyes closed. I think that's it, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI to show you the picture more clear. As you see here in the RSI of 4 hours, we got here divergence. Now the divergence, that will make the price is going to go up. So us here, we will wait in that one to enter to overbought area. Then from there it will go down, and when it touch the trend line here, you enter buy. The target of you is it up here at overbought area. Let me show you in daily for the picture to be more clear. Here in the daily, my friend, as you see, we stand in a downtrend, because we got here a divergence, as you see it, or a downtrend. So here the RSI, so the RSI here, it enter at the oversold area. It give us that small divergence here. If you see it here in the price, it's a small divergence. That we're going to make it to go high till it touching that downtrend. Then you from there you enter short. That if you working for long term, but also for a weekly, the price it will still going up. And that's it for that pair, my friend. The other pair we got is Australian dollar, USD or Aussie. And that one the same story. Came here to that level. Our view to it will touch 0.75238. Then from there it will go down to 0.74796. Or where it is now, it will touch that 0.74796. Then it will go up. You can take target here at 0.75844, or up here at 0.76809. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. But when it touching here, that level here, enter short, because for long term it will fall down. For short term, for a weekly or something, it's going to go up. It's just a correction. I think everything is very clear. Let me analyze for you the RSI. In the RSI, as you see, let me put it for you with red like that. We got here a divergence. That we're going to make it to make that small correction like that. So now the RSI is it here. Our view to it will touch the overbought area. Then from there it will go down and touch the trend line. Then you enter when it's touching the trend line. Target is it up at overbought area. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me show you in the daily. In the daily, as you see, we got here a downtrend. And here, in the RSI give us a divergence, if you see it here. So here it will go up and touching the trend line. And from there you enter short, that for long term. But for small time frame, is it going up? Picture is very clear. So you go into 1 hour, you enter for 2 or 3 days, you take profit, that's it for you. The other pair we got, my friend, is USD CAD. And the one, as you see here, we got a divergence again. Is here. That means the price it will fall down. So also you can, if you are not conservative, can enter sell with it till the 1.22968. But for me, my view, I'm going to enter in it only buy when it's enter here at the oversold area. Target is it up at overbought area. Let me show you more to understand more the picture, where you can take the target. You can take the target here at 1.26790. I think the picture is very clear, my friend, for that pair. Let me show you more. As you see, for the daily, we got here a trend line, and here a small divergence that we're going to make the price to fall down till that level here. Then from there you enter buy to that level here, that high level here. I think the picture is very clear, my friend, nothing hard. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, and that one fall down here. Then from here our view, it will go up and touch that level here. From there it will fall down more. It will fall down here and here till here. So you can enter short from 110.473. You can take the first target at 109.797, third target at 109.175, the last one at 107.885. Then from here you enter buy. I think the picture is very clear. The RSI, as you see here, we got here a divergence, as you see it here in the chart. The price here is it at over sold area, so our view to it will go up again and touch that trend line, and from there you enter short. The target is it at the oversold area. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got is New Zealand USD or Kiwi, and the one we are bullish in it. So because it touched here that level, the one, then from here it went up. Oh, now one of two, it will from here it will retrace again to here. From 0.70 to 117, it will retrace to 0.669 570. You can take the first target, where is the price now, at 0.70 217. Second target at 0.70 870. Third target at 0.71 341. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, it will break up till here, till that level of the candle. Then from there it will make a small retrace to that level at 0.70 217. It need to give you a candle here. Then from here you enter buy. I think the picture is very clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. In the RSI, as you see, also we got here a divergence. Here it is in 4 hours. Price now is it at 50 level here. So our view to it will go back and touch the trend line here, and from here you enter buy. Target is it up at the overbought area. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. But in the daily, we got another scenario that will explain it to you here. Because here in the daily, we got a downtrend. The price here, it touched the oversold area. It gives us here a small divergence, as you see it here. So our view to ahead, the price it will go up again till it touching the trend line here. Then from here it will fall down. That's why I told you the target only here. Then from here you enter short, because it will go down till here. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got is the last pair we got is the gold. The gold, as we said it last week, I told you it will touch that level, and from here it will go up, and that's what happened. So now it came Friday, then it started rearranging, like as you see it. So our view, it need to make a small correction, because they know people here, they got, or it's a trap to hit in the stop loss, because big boys, they don't buy just from anywhere. They buy only from levels. Without levels, they are not going to enter. That's why I told you it is going to make a small correction to that level at 1777. And from there, you enter by, you can enter from 1777.74 or from 1760.40, depending on where it go. Then the target of you, it need to be here at 1812.41 or at 1849.22. The last one is at here, at the last level here, at 1895.25 at the maximum where you can take. It may analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. The RSI, as you see, we got here a divergence, as you see it here in the price. So our view to it will go down that RSI till the oversold area. Then you from here, from the oversold area, you enter by the target of you. Is it at the overbought area? I think everything is very clear, my friend. So that's it for that week, my friend. See you in the middle of this week. I'm going to, because a lot of people who bought my Bitcoin trading course, they ask me how to buy Bitcoin. And because now, as I am a UK citizen, UK they ban Binance, so I will show them how to buy it with low fees or from person to person. So because we are in a war, central banks against us, all the Bitcoin or crypto believers, they are against central banks or world regime or modern slavery. So we need to fight them till the last minute. So I will show you how to buy it from person to person using platforms, and everything is safe 100%. And what can I say? It's better for you to start investing in Bitcoin now before it's too late. If you don't know anything about how to start investing in Bitcoin or anything, go to any video of my videos, or you're going to find it in the top right corner, one video of me. Down the net, you're going to find a couple link to one of the best selling course in Thinkific about Bitcoin. It's going to take you step by step how to buy Bitcoin, how to open a brokerage account, how to deposit money. Everything you're thinking of, you're going to find it there. So my friend, for the video, don't be too long. See you in the next week. Bye for now, my friend.